Good morning and welcome to another episode of the Modern Stone Age. Today we're going to talk about drilling boulders, drilling slabs. How do we get nice holes in hard stone? So today you can see here we got a bunch of different core bits. A core bit is when it's not solid. You will see that it's actually just a tube with some diamond teeth here on the end, kind of a thing. So that's what actually does the chewing. All you're doing is then cutting essentially the what is the tube, and the rock on the inside will still be there. You don't take away as much material. You just need some sharp teeth on the outside. But that leaves the actual core itself in the stone. So sometimes we have to actually pop that core out. We've got a piece of rebar here that we have sharpened into a, nice defensive type tool with a little point. We got a couple chisels and a pry bar. We also use a piece of metal banding to kind of slide in there and help us get those cores out. We do have quite a few extensions. So at first we would start with a 6-inch piece with one of the bits on it, drill through 6-inch, pop the core out. Then we put another longer one on, probably your 12-inch. And in that way, I think we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus the 6, so we can go about 5 feet through some stone with those. We do have 2 different drills here in the shop, and I'll kind of flip you around and show you. If we head over here, so again, our basic hand tool that can fit the sander, the grinder, can also fit different core bits as well as those extensions. So we can use that to drill holes if we're going through a boulder, something like that. Otherwise, we do have a stand-up drill press here that we could put. This is a 4-inch bit on there where we're drilling some light boxes to go on the exterior of a home, kind of like a finished little plate that goes around the light that'll let the electrical through and things like that. So we drill those on there. I'll kind of walk you outside here quick, and we'll just show you one of the boulders we just got done with last week. It's gonna get a little bright, I suppose. And it looks like the boulder is gone. So we did finish drilling that. However, I'll walk you over to the other drill press that we have, which is down yonder here. And so we do have this other drill press that is not a vertical, but more horizontal. What we can do is set boulders here on the wood. We would clean that off, maybe put a flat surface like a pallet on there. We would then find the right, core bit, whatever it is, and we do have straps on here, so we can strap it down, and then a little laser on the end there. So you kind of push the laser on, it'll tell you where the core bit should be coming out, and then kind of line up the top with where you want it. And this is just like a hand crank. Essentially, you get the thing spinning and just start cranking it, and you slowly eat your way through, kind of a deal. So that's powered by, I believe, a Milwaukee. Yes, Milwaukee drill. So just wanted to show you a little bit about the core bits. Some of the stuff back in the day, they're using quote-unquote copper tubes and sand, so to speak, and that is entirely possible. To use a softer metal with just a grit, it just takes a lot longer to get through something like that. I mean, you'd be standing there for days as opposed to hours. So just wanted to show you a little bit about it, and get ready to rock and roll today. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next episode.